everyone, this is Jessica and family with Copper Desert Permaculture, and this week we're out camping on our land. So we're hiking up there right now, and we wanted to show you a little project we're working on, and that is building trincheras. So stick with us and we'll shoot some video of how to do that and why we're doing it. All right, here we go. Okay, so we've been walking around and we found where we want to build our first trinchera. So what you're going to want to look for is something like this, where it's sort of a gully that you can see that water runs down and it's eroding away the soil. Our goal is to build a rock wall, which is really easy to do around here because we have really rocky soil, so that's free material. So we want to build the rock wall here. And when the monsoon season comes, it's gonna start making the water pool. So that keeps more water on our land and more water in our soil, which is what we want to get the soil to be more hydrated. And eventually someday, hopefully we'll actually have a freshwater spring on our land. It's gonna take a lot of trincheras though. So we're gonna get building and see how it goes. Okay, we just finished our first trinchera. I'm gonna show it to you. This is it. It's really nothing fancy, as you can see. Basically, you use a bunch of rocks and you kind of want to wall it up in the front and then have more in the back. And then we used a bunch of just dead debris that was lying around. And that helps catch water, but also sediment. Because the whole issue with soil in the desert is that it doesn't rain often, but when it does rain, it's really an event. It's a lot. So the rain comes pouring in and any topsoil that's been gathered just gets washed away and the soil gets eroded and it just flushes down to the river. So it means that the dirt up here becomes not so much fertile, which is why what you mostly see are pioneering plants like creosote and mesquite and cat claw, because these plants can really thrive in deficient soil. So this is one of what will probably be 100 trincheras that we're gonna make as time goes on. But it just simple things like that. It's free and it doesn't take very much time, especially when you work together as a family, and it will make a difference over time. So that's building trincheras, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.